be able to not be doomed. So now we got a way out, but you got to choose the way out.
You got to choose. You got the choice.
Yeah, you got a choice. He made the way. At
But
first,
we have to still choose.
yeah, we have to choose. He giving us a choice. He don't want to make you be obedient or choose him. He wants you to do it out of your love for him. You know, love and obedience for him. So he made the way for us to choose.
Then the Lord spoke to Aaron, now behold, I have entrusted you with my head, with my huge offerings, even all the holy gifts of the Israelites. I have given them to you as a portion.